Ukrainian sound h, another completely new sound to English speakers. Hello, my name is Natalia, and in this lesson I will teach you how to properly pronounce Ukrainian sound h. Sound h often confuses beginners, especially in the pair like h. Two completely different sounds, like in word горох. Both g and h are transliterated into English using letter H, which can make it even more confusing. But they are completely separate and independent Ukrainian sounds. So make sure to check out my lesson about letter h after you finish watching this video. In the lesson about sound h, we've got it from the English H. Let's now do the same with h. Transform English H into Ukrainian h. Remember, English H sound is an exhale, like house, hello, and so on. Air comes from your throat and tongue doesn't participate. The sound is made somewhere here. To get the Ukrainian h, we need to make a small modification. Start exhaling as usual, but bring the back of your tongue a little bit up to the soft palate to restrict the airflow. This is how it looks like. Imagine this is your tongue. Normal exhale looks like this. This is an English H. And now raise the back of your tongue upwards. Pronunciation of Ukrainian h sound slightly resembles hissing. In the video about r, we were purring, and now we're hissing like an angry cat. So, to summarize, English H made somewhere here when you exhale, and Ukrainian h is made in your mouth by bringing the back of your tongue up. In general, Ukrainian h sound requires more tension in your throat, so it may take some time for you to get used to it. Now, let's practice a little bit. If you want to check your own pronunciation, try to read all the examples before I do. H at the beginning or at the end of the words. Хліб, пух, дах, жах. Great! Now read h in syllables with regular vowels. Ха, хо, ху, хе, хи, хі. And now h in words. Хороший, хід, хитрий, хвороба. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I will really be glad to hear about your progress in the comments. Subscribe to Your Learner and see you in the next video. Bye!